Second is the heat critical thickness of insulation in case of the sphere. So consider a hollow sphere of inner radius r1 and temperature T1, which is covered with an insulation of thickness r2 minus r1. That's outer radius is the r2, and it is subjected to a convective heat transfer coefficient HO having a fluid temperature of T air, and let K be the thermal conductivity of the insulation. So heat transfer rate across the sphere is the Q is equal to T1 surface temperature minus T air upon conductive resistance of the sphere R2 minus R1 upon 4 pi K R1 into R2 plus 1 upon 4 pi R2 square into HO. So 4 pi is common here, so take common and shift into the numerator. So Q is equal to 4 pi into T1 minus T air upon R2 minus R1 upon K R1 R2 plus 1 upon R2 square into HO. So adopting the same procedure as that of the cylinder, differentiating this denominator with respect to R2 and equating it to the 0, we have, so differentiating denominator with respect to R2, taking it as 0, we have d by dr2, separate this R2 upon kr1 minus kr1 into r2, r1 upon kr1 into r2 plus 1 upon HO R2 square is equal to 0. R2 get cancel, R1 get cancel. This equation becomes d by dr2 1 upon k R1 minus 1 upon k R2 plus 1 upon R2 square into HO is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So differentiating with respect to R2, so derivative of this term is 0, so derivative of 1 upon R2 is the 1 upon minus 1 by R2 square, 0. This minus is plus 1 upon k R2 square minus derivative of 1 by R2 square is the 2 by R2 cube minus 2 by R2 cube, 2 by R2 cube into HO is equal to 0. So R2 cube into HO is equal to 2k R2 square. So R2 is equal to 2k upon HO. So this is a critical radius of insulation for the sphere. R2 is equal to 2k by HO. It is also called as the RC.